This video will help guide you through adding and updating student vaccination data for non-vaccinated students. Please note, the purpose of this tutorial is to walk through adding or updating non-vaccinated students only. For assistance in updating data for students who are vaccinated, please refer to the tutorial for updating and entering data for vaccinated students. Start by going to Campus Solutions at sa.peralta.edu. Enter your user ID, then enter your password. Click Sign In at the bottom of the screen. The Campus Solutions Administrator window will open up. Find and click onto the navigation button located in the upper right-hand side to open the navbar window. Locate the navigator icon and click on it to expand your navigation options. Next, find and click onto Peralta SA Custom, which will open Student Vaccinations. Now, click onto Student Vaccinations to access the Student Vaccination Tracker option. Then, click onto Student Vaccination Tracker. The Student Vaccination Tracker window will open up. To locate a student, you can enter the student's ID number, last and/or first name, then click Search. Once you've located the student, you can begin entering or updating their vaccination exemption information as needed. Find the Vaccination Status drop-down menu and click on it. Then, select Not Vaccinated from the list of options. This window is also where you can update or flag a student's eligibility status by choosing either Clear or Not Cleared from the drop-down menu. To continue, just select the student COVID test results from the Details window that appeared by clicking onto the COVID test result drop-down. Next, enter the test date and leave any notes needed in the comment box. To add an attachment, just click Add Attachment. Find the attachment you wish to add by clicking onto Choose File. Locate the file and click Open to select your file. Then click Upload to attach the file. Double-check the information you just entered is correct before leaving this window. Then click Save to make sure everything you've just entered is saved in the system. Additional notes about the Student Vaccination Tracker window. If you need to look at an attachment, just click onto View Attachment. This will open the attachment in a new window. If you need to add additional information, locate it to the right of View Attachment. You'll see a small plus sign button. By clicking onto this button, you can add additional test information or any other data needed. To add additional information or updates, just click onto the button with a plus symbol, and now you can click onto the COVID test results drop-down menu and/or begin adding any updates you may have to the student's profile. If your update is a test result, make sure you enter the test date. You can also add any comments you may have and include attachments as needed. Then make sure to click Save. If you need to look at or access a specific test result or entry, on the Details line, near the right-hand side, you'll see a drop-down option. Just click onto this drop-down to access a specific test result or entry as needed. If you need to access multiple testing information at the same time, also on the Details line, to the right of the drop-down menu, locate the View All option and click on it. This will expand the data displayed so you can view and access multiple entries at the same time. Always make sure to click Save every time you add or update anything on the Student Vaccination Tracker window so your changes are not lost.